Mastering the art of packing a suitcase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that anyone learning English or planning to travel might find useful. We're going to explore the meaning and nuances behind the phrase, packing a suitcase. Whether you're preparing for a trip or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Packing a suitcase is a phrase that sounds simple at first, but there's a bit more to it than just throwing clothes into a bag. Packing involves carefully selecting and organizing items that you plan to take with you on a trip. A suitcase is a type of luggage that is typically used for traveling. It comes in various sizes and styles, but its main purpose is to hold your belongings securely during your journey. Packing a suitcase is an art and a science. It requires thoughtfulness and sometimes even strategy. Here are the essential steps. 1. Choosing the right suitcase. Depending on the length of your trip and the items you need, select a suitcase that fits your requirements. 2. Making a packing list. This helps ensure you don't forget anything important. List everything from clothes to toiletries, gadgets, and any specific items you need for your trip. 3. Folding or rolling your clothes. There's a debate among travelers about which method saves more space and keeps clothes wrinkle-free. Experiment to see what works best for you. 4. Organizing your items. Place heavier items at the bottom of the suitcase. Use packing cubes or bags to separate different types of items. This keeps your suitcase organized and makes unpacking easier. 5. Leaving space for souvenirs. If you plan on bringing back gifts or souvenirs, make sure to leave some space or bring an extra bag for those items. Here are some additional tips to make packing your suitcase even easier. Wear your heaviest clothes and shoes during the flight to save space in your suitcase. Use travel-sized containers for liquids to comply with airport security regulations and save space. Check the weather of your destination to pack appropriate clothing. Roll belts inside shirts or around the suitcase edge to save space. Place fragile items in the center of your suitcase, surrounded by softer items for protection. Packing a suitcase might seem like a mundane task, but it's an essential skill for travelers. By understanding the phrase, packing a suitcase, and mastering the techniques involved, you can make your travel preparations more efficient and stress-free. We hope this video has been helpful and that your next suitcase packing experience will be a breeze. Safe travels, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on English language learning and much more. See you in the next video.